How to add a video on Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and then let's go to the website editor. So we can just click edit site and then click edit again. So from here, I'll just add a blank section right here where I can add the videos. And then if you want to add a video on your Squarespace website, we can do it in different ways. The first way is that we can just use a regular video block. So you can just click add block and then you can see the video block right here. You can just click on it and then you have the video block right here in your website. So from here, we can just click the edit button and then we can click add a video. And then we can do it in different ways. So we can upload a file from our desktop, or we can select from the library. Or we can also add a link from YouTube or Vimeo. So, for example, if I select from the library, we can just go ahead and see the library that we already have right here in Squarespace. So I already have this video right here. So this is a video that I uploaded. I can just click on that and then click add. And then now I have my video block right here, along with the actual video. And then if you want to try out the adding the link right here, so we can go ahead, click the edit button, click add a video, and then click add from link. And then I have a video link right here that is a free stock video footage. I can just copy that and then paste it right here, click add. Now we have a YouTube video right here inside the video block. And then we can just go ahead and also just adjust the size of the video block that we have right here. Then as you can see, it adjusts its size according to the size of the video block. And then next, what we can also do is that we can use an embed block to add a video. So let's click add block, and then instead of using the video block to add, for example, a YouTube or Vimeo Vimeo video, we can just use an embed block. So we can just scroll down and then we can see embed right here. So we have this embed block. Then we can click on the edit button, and then we can either insert the link of a YouTube video right here, or we can insert the embed HTML code. So if you want to use the link, you can go ahead, copy the link of a YouTube video and then paste it right here. But if you want to use the code snippet, we can just go back to the YouTube video, then we can click share, and then we can see embed right here. We can click on that, and then we will have the embed HTML code right here. So we can just copy this code right here, go back right here to our Squarespace, click embed data, then we can paste the embed code right here. And then now we have our embed block right here with a video. And then the only way that you can adjust the size of the video by using an embed HTML code is that you need to change the size right here that is included in the code. So the width is 560 pixels and then the height is 315 pixels. So we can change that. For example, let's change that to 500, and then we can see the video right here increased its height. And then for the width, for example, let's put that to 700, and then you can now see the video block has changed its size again, like this. So now we have this custom size for our embed video block. Another way is that we can use a code snippet. So we can go to add block, and then we can scroll down. We can use this code block right here. So when you have a code block, it has this hello world code right here. So we can just click edit, and then we can just delete the default code right here, and then we can just insert the code again from the embed HTML from YouTube. And then as you can see, we now have the code block right here that has a video. We can click the edit button again, and then we can adjust the width and height as desired. For example, let's have 800 by 600, and then we have this code block right here with a video. And then another way that you can add a video is that you can use a background for your section. So for example, I'll add another blank section right here, and then I can just click edit section, go to background, and then you can add a video right here. It has a limit when adding a video as a background. As you can see, you can only add a video with a 1 minute maximum time. So again, just click the plus button, and then you can upload your own video right here, or you can select from your library, or you can browse background videos. So if you want to browse background videos, you will see the stock background videos right here in Squarespace. So for example, I want to choose this tree reflection right here, click add video, and then we will now have a video background right here for our section. And then as you can see, we now have this video background right here. So we can also apply it to other sections. For example, this section that we have right here, click edit section, go to background, go to video, and then let's also browse background videos. For example, this snowy mountains. And then now we have a video as a background for this section. And then there you have it after it has finished loading. So we can see it because we have a different video blocks right here, but it's up to you in how you will use a video as a background. And then that's basically it. So those are different ways that you can add a video right here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.